Hello everyone. In this lesson we will start with the multiplication of rational numbers. So in this we are taking example like we are multiplying 3 by 4 by 5 by 7. So the main thing in multiplication of rational number is this. We are multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So we can write it like 3 by 4 times 5 by 7. So it means here we will multiply numerator means 3 by 5 and denominator with denominator. So we multiply 4 by 7. So we will get the final answer as 15 by 28. So this is a rule to multiply two rational number. We will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Next example we are multiplying 9 by 8 with 32 by 3. So if we have such question, first of all we can see either we can simplify it or not. Like in this we can divide 9 by 3. So it means we will get 3 in the numerator over here. Similarly, we can divide 32 by 8. We will get 4 over here. Or we are simplifying 9 and 3 in the simplest form, 32 and 8 in the simplest form. So over here we will get 1 and 1. So final answer we have 3 by 1 times 4 by 1. So it means we get 12 over here. So before multiplication we should see either we can change any numerator or denominator in the simplest form. So it will make our calculation easier. Next example we have mixed number like 3 whole 1 by 8 and we are multiplying it with negative 2 whole 2 by 5. So what we will do, first of all we will change mixed number into the improper rational number. So we will get here 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25 by 8. Then times 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So here we get negative 12 by 5. So here first of all what we will see now, the next step is we will see either we can simplify any numerator or denominator in the simplest form. So here we can simplify 25 and 5. Here we will get 5, 1 and here we will get 5. Similarly we can simplify it as 4 as a common fraction between these two. So we will get 3 over here and 2 over here. Now we have nothing that we can change in the simplest form. So we have 5 by 2 times minus 3 by 1. So our final answer will be negative because here we have one positive and one negative opposite sign. So we will get answer in negative. Negative 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. So our answer is negative 15 by 2. Next example we are multiplying negative 13 by 15 with negative 25 by 26. So here our both the numbers are negative. So our final answer will be positive. So here the next step is first of all we will see either we can change something in lowest term. Yes, over here 13 times 1 is 13 and 13 times 2 is 26. Here also 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 3 is 15. So here we get 1 by 3 negative, we are multiplying it with negative 5 by 2. As I already told, our answer will be positive, so we get 5 by 6 as our final answer. Next example we have 27 by 28 and we are multiplying it with negative 40. So here we have whole number, we have nothing in the denominator, so it will carry by 1. So we have 1 in denominator over here. So now we'll change in the simplest form. We will get 1 over here and 2. 14 times 2 is 28. So now we have 27 by 2. We are multiplying it with negative 1 by 1. So our final answer will be negative 27 by 2. As 1 is positive and 1 is negative, so we keep minus sign. So final answer is 27 by 2 negative. Next we have to simplify. We have two braces and we are multiplying like minus 6 we are multiplying with 5 by 18, then we have minus and in the another bracket we have negative 4 whole 2 by 9. So first of all what we will do, we will solve the number inside the braces. So here we have 6 multiplied by 5 by 18. So we will solve it. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 3 is 18. So we left with minus 5 by 3 over here. Then we have minus. Then we will change into the improper number. So we will get 9 times 4 is 36 plus 2 is 38. So we will get 38 by 9. When we open the another braces, what we will have? Minus 5 by 3 minus and minus will give us plus 38 by 9. So now we know how to solve the question. So first of all we will take LCM. LCM of 3 and 9 will be 9. So it means we have to make the denominator as 9 in both the numbers. So in 38 by 9 we already have 9. So in 5 by 3 how we will make it? When we multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we will have minus 15 by 9. Now we will replace minus 5 by 3 by minus 15 by 9. So here minus 15 by 9 plus 38 by 9. So here our positive number is greater than negative number. So our final answer will be positive and we will subtract. So what we will get? 3 over here and 3 minus 1 is 2 and in denominator we will have 9 only. Because in addition we'll keep the denominator same. So our answer is 23 by 9. Next we have to multiply 35 by 39 with minus 13 by 7. Then we have negative 7 in between. Then we have to multiply 7 by 90 minus 18 by 14. We have to multiply these two numbers. So let's start first solving the number inside the brackets. So first of all we will solve the brackets. So first of all we will change in the simplest form. So here we can change it. LCM or common factor of 13 and 39 is 13. So 13 times 1 is 1 and 13 times 3 is 39. Similarly, we can change the simplest form. 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 5 is 35. Similarly over here 18 times 5 is 19 and 18 times 1 is 18. And over here also 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 2 is 14. So we left with minus 5 by 3 times minus 1 by 1. Here we have negative sign. Then we have 1 by 5 times negative 1 by 2. Now we will multiply the number inside the bracket. So we have here we have 1 and 1. So we will have 5 by 3. As both the number are negative, so we will have positive 5 by 3. Then we have negative minus 1 by 10. So how can we write it? We can write it as 5 by 3 plus 1 by 10. Now the next step is we have to take the LCM of 3 and 10. LCM of 3 and 10 will be 30. I am skipping the steps of how to take the LCM because I am assuming over here you know how to take the LCM of two number. Now next step is we have to make the denominator 30. So 3 if we multiply by 10 can be changed be 30. So here we will have 50 by 30. Next we have 1 by 10. Here if we multiply 10 by 3 we will get 30. So similar action we have to take with numerator. We will have 3 by 30. Now we will replace these numbers. So we have 50 by 30 plus 3 by 30. Now we will add these two. We will get 53 by 30. So this is our final answer. If the question demand, we can change into the mixed number. Otherwise we can leave over here also. Next we have in the evaluation this question we have three brackets inside this. We are multiplying 4 by 5 with 3 by 2. Then we have plus sign in between. We are multiplying minus 9 by 5 with 10 by 3. Then we have negative sign. Then we are multiplying minus 3 by 2 with minus 1 by 4. So as you already know, first of all we will solve the number inside the bracket. So first of all we will see here we can change into the lowest term or not. Yes, over here 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So we will get minus 2 by 5 times 3 over here. Then we have plus sign. Then next we will see, yes, over here also 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. And here 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So we will left with minus 3 by 1 times 2 by 1. So in the next we will see either we can change anything in lowest form, but here there is no common factor between any numerator and denominator, so we can't change, so we will write it as same, minus 1 by 4. Now we will multiply. So here we will get minus 6 by 5 as we have 1 over here, then plus here we will get again minus 6 minus here we have two negatives, so we will have our positive answer, or multiplication of these two numbers will be positive. So we will get 3 by 8. Now we will open the braces. So we will get minus 6 by 5 plus and minus will give us minus 6 minus 3 by 8. Now we have to solve it. For this, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of 1, 5 and 8. So LCM of 1, 5 and 8 will be 40. Now in each case we have to make the denominator to 40. Let's start with minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. So here we have to multiply with 8 as we have to make the denominator 40. So we will have minus 48 by 40. Next we have minus 6 and over here we have 1. So here we have to multiply by 40 only. So we will get minus 240 by 40. Next we have 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Yes, so we have to multiply it by 5. So we will get minus 15 by 40. Now let's replace all the number with these. So we will have minus 48 by 40 minus 240 by 40. Then we have minus 15 by 40. Now what we will do? We will add minus 240 and minus 48. So we will get over here minus 288 minus 15 by 40. Now again we will add 288 and 15 and we will have negative 303 divided by 40. So here we are changing into the mixed number. So we will get 5 whole 3 by 40 negative. So our final answer is minus 303 by 40 or 5 whole 3 by 40, both are same. Sorry, I did mistake over here. We will get, when we solve into the mixed number, we will get negative 7 whole 23 by 40 as a mixed number. Previous I did fraction, sorry for that. I did mistake, so sorry for that. So final answer will be negative 7 whole 23 by 40. But here 303 divided by 40 is also the same answer or the correct answer. Next have word problem based on that. Here in this we have first question like, we have to find the cost of 7 by 2 meter cloth if the cost of 1 meter is given as rupees 651 by 2. So here first of all we will see what they are given in question. So we have given cost of 1 meter cloth. So they have given it as rupees 651 by 2. So as we know, when we have given the price of 1 and we have to find the price of most, in that case what we have to do? We have to multiply. So in that case we have to find out cost of, so now cost of 7 by 2 meter cloth will be, we will multiply with the given price. So we will get 7 by 2 times 651 by 2. So now we will multiply these two numbers. So first of all we will see either we can change into the lowest form or not. Here there is no common factor between any numerator or denominator. So we will simply multiply. So when we multiply 651 by 7, we will get 4557 divided by 4. So we have to pay rupees 4557 by 4 for 7 by 2 meter cloth, or we can say cost of 7 by 2 meter of cloth is 4557 divided by 4. Next question we have, a bus is moving with the speed of 131 by 2 km per hour. It means in 1 hour a bus is covering 131 by 2 kilometer of distance, and we have to find out in 4 by 3 hours how much distance it will cover. So here again we have given for 1 and we have to find out for more. So clearly we will multiply. So let's see first of all what I have given in the question. It is given speed of bus per hour, or it is given as 131 by kilometer per hour, and time taken they have given 4 by 3 hours, means we have to find out how much distance will it cover in 4 by 3 hours. So in the question they have given in 1 hour distance cover is how much? 131 by 2 kilometer, because they have given 131 by 2 kilometer per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour is covering 131 by 2 kilometer distance, and we have to find out for 4 by 3 hours. So in 4 by 3 hours distance cover is equal to, so what we have to do, we have to multiply, as we have given for 1 and we have to find out for more. So in such type of question we will multiply 131 by 2 times 4 by 3. Now we will simplify in the lowest form. We will get 2 over here. 131 times 2, we will get 262 by 3 kilometer. So it means in 4 by 3 hour the distance covered by bus is 262 by 3 kilometer. So in today's lesson we cover the multiplication of rational number. If you have any question or if you are not getting anything in my video, you can reach out to me by writing down my comment section. And friends, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you.